What's going on, everybody? It's Austin with DryTight Roofing. Today I'm going to walk you up this roof we just replaced. So these shingles are the Atlas Pinnacle Pristine shingles, and the color is Burnt Hickory. Really beautiful color. There was a huge wasp nest in here, so that was fun, and they were really ticked off when we pulled the plywood off that was rotten and killed them all. Went through like 4 cans of wasp spray to kill them all. But yeah, just want to show you all this job we did. We got the GAF Master Flow pivot pipe boots. Look at these things. These things are super solid, meant to last a very long time. Got a little exhaust vent right here for I believe the kitchen. We did all new counter flashing around the chimney right here. Now all these gutter guards, these were installed by another contractor, so we kind of had to work around those. But you can see the shingles transition to the gutter guards really nicely. One of the reasons for that is we had to bend some custom drip edge metal because regular drip edge metal just wouldn't work. So yeah, we had to custom bend some custom drip edge for this, make that work so it looks nice and seamless. Did ridge vent. Another thing, we always make sure we seal up these exposed nail heads when we're done with it. This was a 3-inch pipe right here. Let's see, we got ridge vent on all the ridges. Oh, right here. So these boards, these fascia boards were rotting out. And one of the reasons why is they installed it too close to the roof. Like the fascia boards were actually touching these shingles. So they were rotting out from the bottom. So we had to remove those, get new 1x12 common boards, paint them with 2 coats of paint. Also made sure the bottoms down here are painted. You know, they shouldn't have that much, they shouldn't be touching too much water, but you know, it will get somewhat wet. So we made sure that it's painted, the bottom side's painted, 2 coats. So yeah, and we left an inch little gap in between the shingles like you're supposed to have. You're supposed to have a 1-inch gap. So we wanted to make sure that was done properly. Yeah, just wanted to walk y'all along with me on this roof that we did. Oh, look, 2 little nails I forgot to seal up. That's why I get up and walk the roof, y'all. Look, we got these sealed up nice. I guess we just forgot those 2, but I'll get those before I get out of here today. But yeah, we had to replace these boards as well. New step flashing going up the sides, made it look really clean. So yeah, this is my project today. It was a pretty difficult project dealing with these gutter guards. I'm really not a huge fan of these gutter guards. I don't install this specific one, but it's kind of a bulky gutter guard, and so it was making it difficult for us for our original drip edge to work. So after my crew, they installed some of it. It didn't look right. I said, let's tear it up. We're gonna have to bend some custom drip edge, and that's what we did. And yeah, you can see that the shingles flow seamlessly down into the gutter guard, so everything's gonna be functioning properly. But hey, if you are in the market for a new roof, new gutters, new siding, give us a call at 615-540-5050. That's my personal line. You know, I don't do tons and tons of projects, but every project I do, I am there and I'm making sure that it's being done right. And so, you know, I take personalized care into all the roofs that I do because I want to make sure there's no issues. Make sure everything's going to last an extremely long time with no leaks, no problems. DryTight done right, y'all. Take it easy. Peace.